I brought some eggs, bacon, pancakes.
Oh my gosh, welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's Tuesday. It's raining, so I don't know what we're gonna do with all these cars. The windows need to stay open because they don't have door handles. Tsunami!
Hi!
So before the day starts, I was on my way here. I found these little gems. I don't know if you guys remember these from a
What are you
vlog
doing?
ago. Shh, shh. I'm not gonna let the crew know. Obviously Johnny knows now, but
Hello.
the crew's in for a little treat throughout the day. Morning.
Morning, dude. How are you? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. 600 people of you guys commented last night on our last video. I thought it was super cool. Thank you guys. You know, in regards to the comments, we're doing a hidden hashtag contest now, meaning that in every single video from here on out, we're gonna have a hidden hashtag in that video. All you gotta do is spot it, find it, comment it below, and we're randomly gonna select winners. The winners are gonna win decals, hats, t-shirts, whatever we're giving away that day. And we're gonna do it daily. So we're daily vlogging now, and we're gonna be giving stuff away daily as well. Super exciting for us, because damn!
Again!
What up, dude? The train does not want to leave us alone.
This is take two also. All right,
Take two. I'm telling you guys, we filmed this twice already. But like I said, if you guys want to get in on the giveaway, all you got to do is continue watching the vlogs like you guys already are. And we're super thankful for that. So thank you guys. And like I said, just watch the video, find the hidden hashtag. They're going to get harder and harder and harder as we go. Last night was a trial. It was super easy. But the next few are going to be really hard. So dig, watch the video. If you find the hashtag, make sure you comment below. We're going to randomly select winners every single day, and we'll announce them on the vlog the next day. So today's winner is Pedro. And the way he was selected is he was the first to comment it. He was the first to find it, and I just felt that it was necessary to make sure that he got it because he watched the vlog, found it, and commented below first. So Pedro, your YouTube is right here. Make sure you email us. Email Lauren, sales at Premium Auto Styling. Let her know you're the winner, and we're gonna get your gift pack sent out. Other than that, we appreciate the support, guys, and let's get into the day. I don't know what's going on there. I heard that Lauren brought food and is cooking pancakes or something, so let's go find out what she's doing. What the f is going on?
Oh, there's bacon!
What?
Yeah, I came to see for striping.
Okay, cool. You want to do, are you trying to do the ones that go with this body line here?
Yeah, but I'm trying to go the whole
Way back?
The whole way back.
Cool. Man, his beard is redder than mine. See that? He wins, bro. Well, let us know, man. Let us know what you end up deciding. And like I said, all we got to do is schedule it in. Once we get you scheduled in, we commit to a date, and you're here, we'll get knocked out. It is a full day project, though.
Yeah.
So be ready to have it here. What up, man? Somebody said this one time, and I thought it was the funniest shit because he was so right. And I don't want to say it on camera because you guys are going to hold it against me forever, but he said the truck looked like a warthog. And I was like, damn, it does look like a warthog. If you put the warthog next to it, the shit looks just like a warthog. It looks like Pumbaa from Lion King. And Pumbaa's ugly as f, but I think the truck is good looking, man. So have you guys seen, earlier this week on probably 2 vlogs back, we had a big ass box dropped off. And I'll cut back to the clip so you can see it. It's a huge box, and what's inside the box is a V3 Rocket Bunny kit. It's going on this car. So if you look at the car right now in its current state, not much to look at, typical FRS, but it looks really, you know, it's about to go through a huge transformation. We're doing a really, really unique color on it. When I say unique, meaning that we haven't personally installed this color before. You know that a lot of these cars are coming in and they're getting very, very similar colors because it's what looks cool. You can just look at Anthony's and see how dope it is. I've wrapped 5 of them at this point in that color. This one, a little bit different route, and I'm excited to show you guys. I really, really can't wait to show you guys the transformation because, like I said, you look at it now, not much to look at, but we got the Rocket Bunny kit, we got the wrap, and we got the wheels coming, and you'll see this one progress throughout the week. So stay tuned to that for that. One more thing that I wanted to talk about while we're out here, because I've had quite a few people ask about them. I haven't put them on the website. They are the Shadow Black camo looking Premium Auto Styling banner. This is on El Jefe's car, so right now it's El Jefe exclusive. He doesn't, nobody else has it except him. So if you want the El Jefe exclusive, just comment below, say give me that El Jefe exclusive. While we're on it, I just see him over there smiling, look at him. So right now, do yourself a favor and go subscribe to El Jefe's channel. I'm gonna give him that plug because I wanna see his channel grow. El Jefe is helping me out with a lot of different things in the shop. You're seeing the content progress because we have extra help. John and I have assistants now. So make sure you go to El Jefe's channel, go subscribe to him, and comment Banana Fam on his post just to see what you guys are doing over there. Let's go back into the shop. I don't know what the where we're going from here. Bam! Got you guys. Give you guys a quick update on this one because you did see this one also 2 vlogs ago. We started wrapping this thing, and this one right here is 100% not touched by me, and to me that's like huge because I'm watching the skill sets of our crew progress, and it makes me so happy. You know, like I said, I didn't have to worry about this car. The guys completely knocked it out on their own, and they did it great with great quality. So super psyched on that. My team is stepping it up, and I'm thankful to see that. This car looks really cool. It was red before, and you can still see that in certain areas. Obviously the mirrors are still off, side skirts are still off. We still got some things we want to do. I need to wrap some of the interior pieces because on this car you can actually see the old color. So we need to go in and wrap that. But I'm just ranting at this point. Let's get in there and get to work. I feel bad for all the vegans. No. We should go hide our car and say somebody stole it. I have an idea. What should we do?
YouTube knows
What?
that I have an idea.
This is the part where I'm supposed to step in and be like, no, you don't do that. And I'm actually kind of encouraging it.
Mitch, is this okay?
Entertainment.
Yes? Cool.
No, it's not okay. No.
If it's okay,
Mitch
you
does
blinked.
not-
You blinked.
Mitch does not
You
approve
blinked.
this.
You blinked, bro. What's going on, man?
Dude,
Sleeping orders?
orders like normal, man.
All right, cool.
Fucking every day, bro. That's all I ever do.
What up, Flo? All right. Another comment that was on the channel, and they want to know why the replies take so long to get back, and they want to get the car in here. Yeah, like ask it, like basically you're not replying to that negative comment. You're more of like, okay, it's gonna take a while to reply back, but you know this is why. Ready? Go.
Okay, so it takes longest a day to get back to everyone because I have so many emails. Like, I I'm gonna kill them. If one of them ends up dead today, I'm keeping my job.
Whoa, can you tell us why? Can you tell us why this shit so long?
Get out of my face!
Alright guys, so I'm making some Shadow Black banners right now. We're going to be having a limited release of these. We're going to have basically the Shadow Black as a base. Oh, we're going to have white as a logo. We're also releasing satin black and any other colors that you guys might think look cool.
So if you guys like those banners, go ahead and go down to the link down in the description. Look at the website and go ahead and check out the Shadow Black banners. I even have one on the Camry with the white logo. Jefe has one with the black. I'll go show you guys both. But here it is with the white logo. Looks pretty dope. And then we got Jefe's over here with the black logo. So it's kind of like the stealth banners, but with the Shadow Black base. So it's pretty dope. So go ahead and check those out in the description.
Currently, I'm working on a 2018 STI wing. You probably saw it in yesterday's vlog or something like that. The customer came in, we did his trunk in gloss black metallic, and we were gonna do part of the wing. We started the project, we decided we want to do the full wing. And with our current workload right now, we weren't able to finish it in the day. So what we did was pull the wing off the car, wrap the trunk so it's all waterproof and everything like that. And basically got to finish this one up, and I'm going to bring it out to him. Going to finish it up, and then you'll be taking the trip with us to go to Redlands to drop it off and then get it installed.
You guys made it. Thank you guys so much for watching again all of our vlogs. We appreciate the support, and I will say it again. You guys blew up the feed last night on the last video. Ton of comments. I think there's like 650 right now. I'm holding today's giveaway. We announced early in the vlog who the winner was. So I think his name was Pedro. Pedro, contact us because we got your gift pack from last night's vlog. Tonight's winner is gonna be this banner right here. So this is it. I'm gonna open it up. I'll show you guys what it is. This vlog, you're not seeing much of the car stuff we're doing because we're trying to hide what we're doing. We got Dustin Williams' car. We put a ton of work on Dustin's car today, and we just can't show you that. We're gonna be unveiling that project towards the end of the week along with Dustin. So that's why you're not gonna see too much car content. You did see us start on the FRS. That's gonna be a cool project, but back to the giveaway. If you find the secret hidden hashtag in the video, this is what you're gonna win. And we're just randomly gonna select a winner. This is our new Shadow Black banner. They're available on the website already, so if you just want to buy it, go for it. We appreciate the support. If you're looking to win it, here it is. Shadow Black with the white premium logo. I think it's pretty dope. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying the daily vlogs, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget about the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a car wrap at 200,000 subscribers. This could be won by anybody in the world. All you got to do is go to the description below, sign up for the car wrap giveaway, be a subscriber, make sure you hit the post notification button because we need that notification, gang. It also helps you get a chance to win stuff like this. As soon as we go live and talk about it, you can jump in and try to win. So find the hidden hashtag in the video, and good luck to all you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.